Welcome, in front of me is a Umidigi One Pro, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode. And this process will also remove a screen lock, so if you have one that, for instance, you don't know the pattern to, as you can see I set up a pattern, then this will also remove it. So to get started, what you want to do is power off the device. And as you can see, I'm progressing from here as though I don't know the pattern. So now that the device is off, you want to go into the recovery mode. So to do that, I'm gonna hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. So now we're in boot mode, and here you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, using only volume up. And once it's selected with the arrow, as it is for me, you want to press volume down to confirm it. And then you will see the no command Android. So to get past this, hold power key and press volume up like so, and we're now in the recovery mode. So in this mode we can actually use both of the volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume down goes down and up goes up. And you want to select wipe data factory reset as it is selected right now, and then press power key to confirm it. And then once more select yes to confirm that, power key. The process will begin. You have a dialog box at the bottom telling you formatting data. The last thing we should see is data wipe complete, as it is visible now. And Reboot System now will be selected by default, so just press power key to reboot the device. Now the process will actually continue in the background, so the device will be turning on for a little bit longer than it normally does. But once it's finished, we will be then presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.